Absolutely beautiful day out here in western Montana in the mountains. Been a while. Thought I'd come back and check in with you guys. Hey everybody, Stoney with Homestead here. If you're following our revamped, more up-to-date Facebook page, which right now is our primary resource, you know that we're doing a full reset. I'll get into that in another video, but I wanted to get this up for you. Part of that reset is redoing our compost system. I'm going to turn this thing around and talk while I show you what we're doing. All right, so some of you might remember that we restructured our compost. This was all the way down to the horse manure in the corner. We pelletized these frames. You know, pallets are a great reusable free resource. We built all these bins with the idea that, you know, we would load this and then turn it and put it into there and turn it and put it in there and so on and so forth. What we discovered is it makes it easy for us to ignore, because it's all tucked away in the back corner below the garden. It looked neat, but as you can see, we ignored it. Those paper shreds and this grass, take you down here, grass clippings and manure. What happened was we were able to ignore it because it was neatly tucked away, compartmentalized. It didn't get watered, it didn't get turned. We just didn't pay a lot of attention to it. So we've decided to go back old school and build these mounds. So they're right at the foot of the main garden. So I have to look at them and deal with them constantly in order to work in the gardens. This one here, this is a long low bed. Let's see if I get over here, you can see both of them maybe. Yeah, this is a long low bed here, and that is your traditional pile. What we did was we took our cuttings. If you look over here, right there, and right there, you can see that there are sections of lawn, because I detest lawn, that I let grow, and we mow it down probably about 6 inches, and we put everything out here. So what we did was we put 2 mounds of fresh grass, and then we started raiding the old compost that wasn't broken down. Put that on top of it, covered it up real good. Then we put some more grass. Then we got some aged manure. It's primarily 2- and 3-year-old horse manure. Put that on there. Now we're soaking, and I mean soaking. You can see this is all just dripping wet. I had to put the I had to put the deer netting on it because the chickens wanted to attack it first thing. Anyway, layer between our old browns from the ignored compost bins that wasn't broken down with fresh green grass. Soak everything. Now we completed these 2 just yesterday in about an hour, and you can see this one's cooking right along. And this one's not doing awful. But by doing this, by doing it this way, hopefully we won't be able to ignore it as easily. It'll be right here. It's at the foot of the main garden, like I said, so anything that comes out of the main garden, whether it's weeds or you know, clippings when we trim our various plants down, we can toss them in here. It's right here where our water source is. It's easy to flip over because, well, it's right here. It's where the tools are. It's where we're working anyway. So I just wanted to update you, let you know we're still here, and give you a little insight into one part of our reset. I'll do another video pretty soon to explain the whole reset to you, but there we go. Thanks for stopping by. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and make sure that you come over to Facebook, because that's going to be our primary resource for a while. Have a great day.